In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to password protect Dropbox files. Let's dive straight in and ensure your files are securely protected. First, we'll need to access Dropbox. Head over to dropbox.com and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the home page where you can see the left sidebar. From there, click on All Files. This will show you a complete list of your files and folders stored on Dropbox. Now that you've got your list of files and folders in view, the next step is to find the specific file or folder that you'd like to protect with a password. Once you've located it, hover your cursor over its name. As you do this, you'll notice an option to share appears. Go ahead and click on that share button. With the share window open, look for the gear icon. This icon represents the settings and will take you to link settings once you click it. This is where you'll have the opportunity to modify how others access your file or folder. Inside the link settings, there are usually two options: link for viewing and link for editing. Choose the one that best suits your needs. Under either tab, you will find an option named Require a Password. It might be toggled off initially, so switch it to on. This action is what allows you to set up a password for the link, adding that precious extra layer of security. Having enabled password protection, the next step is to decide on a password. Choose something strong yet memorable for you. Ensure it's something others couldn't easily guess, as this will be the key to keeping your file secure. Once that's done, don't forget to click Save. This is an essential step. Clicking Save ensures that all the changes you've made, including the password setting, are applied and active for the file or folder you've selected. And there you have it, your file or folder is now protected with a password. Whenever someone tries to access it via this particular link, they'll need to enter the password you've set. This method not only helps you share your files, but also ensures that you maintain control over who can view or edit them. I hope this guide has been straightforward and helpful, giving you a clear understanding of how to enhance the security of your shared Dropbox files. If you found this tutorial useful, make sure to leave a comment or share it with someone who might benefit from added file security. Thanks for watching and happy sharing.